seems to have entered the final lap now. So who will replace Raghuram Rajan? The government sources say that an announcement could be made shortly. Here's a look at the possible contenders.
If the buzz around the corridors of power is any indication, Arvind Panagaria has emerged as the frontrunner in the race. The vice chairman of Niti Aayog is a renowned trade economist who holds a PhD from Princeton and was a professor of economics at Columbia University. He also served at the International Monetary Fund, World Trade Organization and the Asian Development Bank. Panagaria has publicly pitched for a lower interest rate regime and enjoys the confidence of the Prime Minister. There is another Arvind in contention, Chief Economic Advisor Arvind Subramanian. A well-known economist, Subramanian is an IIM Ahmedabad alumnus who also served as an economist at the IMF. Incidentally, Arvind Subramanian has also come under BJP's Rajya Sabha MP Subramaniam Swamy's fire, with Swamy calling for his head. Also on Swamy's radar is Shaktikanta Das, a career bureaucrat and currently the Economic Affairs Secretary. The Finance Minister issued a strong and immediate rebuttal to Swamy's tweets against Das. The DEA Secretary is an alumnus of St. Stephen's in Delhi. The IS officer is credited with successfully negotiating information exchange with Switzerland on Indians holding offshore accounts. Former RBI Governor Rakesh Mohan is said to be another serious contender. Mohan holds a PhD from Princeton and was also a senior fellow at the Yale University. A former executive director at the IMF, Mohan also served as the advisor to the finance minister between 2001 and 2002. Another IMF hand and former RBI deputy governor in the race is Subir Gokarn. He is currently an executive director at the International Monetary Fund and holds a PhD from the University of Cleveland. Will one inflation hawk replace another? Deputy Governor Urujit Patel is also in contention to succeed Raghuram Rajan. Patel holds a PhD from Yale and also had a stint at the IMF, and he headed the committee that took India on the path of inflation targeting. And finally, in its 81-year history, the RBI has never had a woman as a governor, and Arundhati Bhattacharya could change that. The chief of SBI is a veteran in the banking industry, having spent nearly 4 decades in India's largest bank. These are the 7 names doing the rounds. However, the government could still pull a rabbit out of the hat. One thing is clear, Raghuram Rajan's successor will have big boots to fill. Bureau Report, CNBC TV 18.